Your ISO 9001, your daddy will know. These are standardized by the government they come and spend 5 days here and check for what activities, what stuff, different things you do, what are the achievements, and then they give this wonderful award. You have got a beautiful certificate from ISO, International Organization of Standards, is the world's largest developer of voluntary that your school has been recognized, Jain International School. So this is a huge achievement for the children here and for the teachers and for everyone for getting ISO 9000. Thank you, children and teachers. Next. This is United Kingdom also has, they come and check up. So they have come, they have seen this active service and they checked on 206 parameters. Academics is one, then sports is another, then life skill, then communication skills, then they checked on so many 206 parameters and then they give this award. And they said, is the sole, the United Kingdom Active Service is recognized about assess international elite standards. This is international achievement. Your school, Jain International School, has been given this in there. So Jain International School. Thank you, teachers and coaches and parents and all the students. Thank you very much. Next. Athena is another very big agency who checks all over India to check what sort of standardization is there. They all just come to check standards, audit. So they come, again Athena, your school has been given grade A+, the highest grading A+. Thank you very much again. Next please. Go Getter aircraft, they put in the aircraft, parents, all the people who travel the aircraft, they just say which do you think is the best school. And suddenly we didn't know. Suddenly Go Air say, we got a letter, sir, your school, they have said first in South India, first in Canada, third in India. Thank Go Air for giving us so much of value. This is all people who fly in Go Air, they gave this ranking. Go Getter Air. Thank you very much. Next please. Education Today is a very big body. They have magazines, Education Today. They do all school survey. International schools, boarding schools, all schools. They also, they spend a lot of time, 5 days here. Many staff will not know what goes in the background. So much work is done and how to convince them to give. So you have been judged as, by Education Today, you have been judged as #2 school in India. #2 school, co-education resident school in India. A big hand to yourself. #1 is, I think, Dehradun. Next please. And your school has achievements all over. This big article came, Educate Talent for the Future. So this is by newspapers, by Pioneer, they all have given huge rating, a 5-star rating for the school. Next please. Education World. Again they have given, there's a beautiful big book of 21 best schools in India. 21 top schools in India. And your school is again the Jain International School. A big hand for all of you please. Next. So there are a lot of things, and keep on going, you've done huge. And this is how they say your achievements are. Next please. 92% is academic reputation of the school. Next please. This is again Education World. That was Education Today, Education World. Next please. Career 360, best schools, again your Jain International School is there. Next please. Even Amitabh Bachchan, he did justdial.com. They just keep dialing and asking, what do you think? Which is the best school? And again you got a 4-star. Just by ad hocly dialing lakhs of people. Next please. Well, I just want to tell the management team, I am there. Can I have you to Ajit Ghosh here, please? Ashirat Doti Ambuj, please. Rudra, David, please come. Anita, Maya, please come. All of you come, because there's no room next. This is the Apex Committee who helped me and who see the school does keep this beautiful ranking. It's not easy to unless you get some beautiful people, leaders. They're the leaders and they're very approachable and they're very friendly but very highly professional in what of it they do. I don't think any of these people standing here work less than at least 16 hours a day. I think they really put it, because unless you work more, you cannot really implement and keep taking how to add values. So children, we are here for working more than 16 hours a day with a wonderful team.
Good morning, children, and a warm welcome back to the school once again. To all the new children, we really look forward to having you here with us. Look forward to a great year of academics, a great year of sports, and good behavior all around. Thank you.
Good morning, children. The best preparation for tomorrow is to do your best today. And we are all here to help you to do your best, and we create a very nice and a friendly environment. People generally say, and today I think Wing Commander or CEO sir has not introduced me as saying that she is very strict. I'm not very strict, but yes, I'm very firm. And you will always find a mother in me, and I welcome all the children, old and new, to this amazing new academic year. Thank you very much.
We are the principal. David.
Morning, boys and girls. Our school, as you all know, is not only known for its academic excellence, it's also known for its sports. You will enjoy all its facilities, you will also have fun, you will in the process learn and have a great time this year. Thank you.
Good morning, dear students. I am Rudra Sharma, Chief Operating Officer. Many of you have met me in the office. I also extend a very warm welcome to you. You know that you all come to the school to visit the school, your parents have come with you. Everybody has met CEO sir, PRO, myself, other teachers. And before coming to us, they have done a lot of research. And many parents told me they have gone to several schools. Some parents have spent almost the whole summer vacation looking at schools. And finally, with all their wisdom and all their experience and knowledge, they have taken the decision to put you all here. Because at their age, their level, they know what is the best and they want to give you the best. And we all present there, when they asked so many questions, they had so many worries, so many anxieties when they put you here. But behind all that, they had a lot of expectations from the school and lot of expectations and dreams which they have for you. And definitely, you are here to fulfill all their dreams and achieve whatever they have sent you here for, because that's a very big sacrifice. Very big sacrifice to send you here. So all the best children to achieve your dreams and their dreams. Thank you.
I should come on the stage. Yes. Just
Okay. Thank you, sir. A very good morning to all of you and a very warm and hearty welcome to the old and the new students as well as the staff. I should say that I should join Rudra sir. When the parents come to us, they ask us so many questions about the school, and we keep telling them, narrating all the good things that we do, and it is not an exaggeration, it is just facts that we share with our parents, and finally they will get up and say, okay ma'am, we will come back to you. And when they say that, I'm very sure they are going to come back, and after a few days they do come back, and I very politely ask them, ma'am, sir, what brought you back to us? And they say, ma'am, we went to so many schools, we visited so many schools, but the warmth that we see here, we have not seen anywhere else. And children, believe me, trust us, this is what we believe in, the warmth that we give to you. And with that, I'm sure we can scale heights. Our CEO was very proudly showing you the results, and I tell you, that is a joint hard work of dedication and determination by the students and the teachers as well. But the baseline is the constant source of support is nobody but here is the CEO. Every minute, every second, he keeps on inspiring the teachers and the students. He might get angry at you sometimes, but ultimately that will be the result. Children, you know, we teach students at all levels, but we come out with this excellent result, and that is JRS. Trust in JRS, and please learn, try to live up to the expectations of your parents. Good luck, children, and the teachers. Thank you.
Good morning, children. Anil Kumar Rai, Senior Vice Principal.
I, on behalf of APEX committee members, welcome you to this session 2016-17. I, on behalf of all the students of class 10 and 12, promise you, sir, that this coming result of the board 2017 will be far, far better than what we have seen here. I had an opportunity to talk to students of class 10 specifically, and they are fabulous, sir. They are really fabulous, and the result what you see today is nothing in front of the next year result. Now, the promise what I have made, I know my children, my students will keep that promise because I have made this promise on their behalf. Have a nice time ahead and please work hard and do your best. The result will follow. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. I am Mrs. Anita, the HOD of Commerce Department. So on behalf of my department, I welcome all of you to this new session. Children, apart from your academics and sports and everything what all of our seniors have told here, you have a lot of opportunities for life skill. It plays a major role in our life, and opportunities come to us only once. Okay, if we don't make use of the opportunity, later we can only regret that we can't help ourselves. It's okay. Always don't hesitate to take the first step. Let it be a success or a failure. Dare to take the first step. The other steps will definitely follow. Okay, so please make use of the opportunities given to you in the school and have a nice day. Thank you all.
Good morning to everyone, both faculty, old students and new students. I am UKC, Vice Principal IGCSE, the International Curriculum. I see many new faces here along with old faces, old not in years, but in wisdom perhaps. You all have expectations from us, and we too have expectations from you. Let what the expectations bring. Keep your eyes bright, focus on the things, and things will turn up. And I will end up with a very small line. In most schools, you see teachers, students run after teachers to get the doubts clear. But this is perhaps one school where the flavor and ethos is that we run after you. So keep it going. All the best. God bless, and happy year ahead. Thank you.
Good morning to you all. First, I would like to thank the school management and CEO sir having faith in me and assigning me the responsibility. I am the Vice Principal of IB Diploma Program. I will stand within my domain. I will do all to take the program to our next level. I welcome you all. Surely I will be visiting the Lebanese soon with the IBDP program. Some of you and your parents have shown interest towards the program, and I'll take you to the DP class and you'll see how we can take you in. Surely I will explain about the program coming to your class. Hope more of you will join the DP program. Thank you.
Thank you, please.